Welcome to another video, and good afternoon from Kathmandu, Nepal. I just left the Nepal Tourism Board, which is the main place in town where you can buy your hiking permits, whether it's for Everest or Annapurna. You can buy some permits on the mountain, like the Everest Base Camp Trek, but some of them you have to get here in Nepal at the Nepal Tourism Board. But anyway, I was going to show you guys my walk from Nepal Tourism Board to THAMEL, the main tourist area in town where I'm staying. So I hope you guys enjoy.
हेलो यता हेर्नुस् 290 390 अब हामी त्यो मम्मी र म जान्छ
Nasi, naan, aloo paneer. So my lunch back there, I had aloo paneer, which is like potatoes and like cheese, and then I also had plain naan and a really good just plain lassi, like a yogurt drink, and it all cost about 270 rupees, which comes out to about $2.37 US. That's actually the most that I've paid for a meal since I've been here in Nepal. $2.37, if you can believe it. But it was pretty amazing. But that's it for my walk from the Nepal tourism board to THAMEL. I just arrived in THAMEL, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys